Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be reviewing Luma vs Kling AI, and I'm going to be doing an in-depth review so you guys can make a more informed decision while choosing your product or software. So yeah guys, with that being said, let's get started with today's video. So we have both Kling AI and Luma AI here. So Kling AI uses AI images while Luma AI can make AI powered 3D captures. It's Kling AI is text to video, and you can just read it, guys. But on paper, Luma AI is more advanced, and I personally use Luma AI as well, and I would say it's better than Kling AI. So if we just go to pricing, we just scroll down. Um, for Luma AI, the basic free trial is free. Obviously, you can try it for free. I would advise you guys to try it for free first and see which one is the best for you. So the light version is $9, almost $10 per month. The standard version is $30 per month. The plus version is $65. Pro version is $100. Premium is $500 per month. This is for people who generate a lot of videos per month. So this is for Luma AI. The pros are 3D capture is groundbreaking. AI avatars look realistic. I can vouch for this, guys. I've used Luma AI myself, and the AI avatars on this software look realistic, much more realistic than Kling AI. So everything is much more realistic than Kling AI. So the cons are the free trial is limited, advanced features get pricey, 3D capture can be time consuming, the editing features are limited. So these are the cons for Luma AI. If you just scroll down, Kling AI also provides a free trial that you can use unlimited for unlimited access because you're gonna be getting free credits every single day. So the standard version is about $4 per month. The pro version is almost $13. The premium version is about $30 per month with taxes. So if you cannot afford Luma AI, Kling is a better alternative. The pros for this software are super easy to use. AI script writing is a game changer as well. The stock library is huge. Customer support is fantastic. And the cons are it can be a bit pricey as well, and it has limited customization options. And there are occasional glitches with the AI. So personally, if you can afford it, Luma AI is a better option in my opinion. However, if you cannot afford it, you should go for Click AI. Uh, if you want better understanding of both softwares, I would suggest you guys to get the free trial for both softwares and see which one is the best for you. So I hope you guys found this video to be somewhat helpful, and I hope you can make a more informed decision after this video. So yeah, guys, if you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then consider subscribing. With that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.